I'm Rod, and thanks for joining me on your sustainable aquaponics food production journey. Through this aquaponics educational platform right here, you can expect to learn how to grow your own veggies, how to grow your own food, and I'll show you how to halve the effort. You don't need any soil. You can do it as a small section or a large section. You can grow it on concrete, you can grow it in your basement. I'll show you how to do all these things, how to double the food production, just like melons or tomatoes or cucumbers or herbs like basil, you name it, you can grow it in half the time with no digging, with no lifting, with no back-breaking work. There's no weeds either. Would you like that idea? Well, that's what aquaponics is all about. What about mint? You can grow mint, you can grow chives, you can grow spinach, you can grow kangkong, you can grow kale, celery, you name it. All, even eggplants like this one here right behind me. Yeah, basil, whatever you can think of, you can more or less grow it in aquaponics, just not root crops. But look, you can grow more than enough leafy greens and beans and anything that you can imagine. You could pretty much grow it. What if I then told you that you don't need to add any chemicals? What if I said that you don't need anywhere near the volume of water that you would in traditional soil gardens? Would that get your interest? Well, what if I said it's all at table height, like these beds behind me here? Because that's what aquaponics is all about. It's all at a table height. There's no chemicals added. It's all organic. It's all fresh, and you just go outside and pick it. You're living the dream, honestly. Fresh, organic, and look, it uses fish. It uses fish waste. Fish waste circulates around the system, and if you don't eat fish, that's okay. You can use ornamental fish, or you could use tilapia. If you use barramundi, you can use perch, even eel-tailed catfish. There's so many things you could use. All the common goldfish, guppies. You don't have to eat the fish if you don't want to, but hey, you got two products doing it this way. You got the veggies and you got the fish. So why not use something you can eat? Barramundi is my favorite. Now, aquaponics realistically is a living, breathing, biological system, modeled off a wetland system. Tide comes in bringing nutrients, tide goes out, and in that process adds oxygen into the system. Look, I invite you to join me on this journey. I'm pleased that you landed on my page. Stay around, have a look. I'll show you how to build a system in 5 days or less. Actually, you could do it in 1 day, but I'll show you over 5 days, everything you need to know. Look, it's a fascinating journey. It's quite easy once you get started. Appreciate you stopping by. Talk to you soon on the inside.